Lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to me already, just hit that subscribe button. If you haven't followed me on IG, my name is lovely_Sharice. Please let me know if you like this video down below. Comment, share, whatever you gotta do. So today I need to get these eyebrows did. I can't go any longer without getting my eyebrows done. So I'm going to attempt to do them myself. Normally I get them threaded, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, stay tuned. If this is your first time trying to attempt to do your eyebrows, since you know we've been on quarantine, we ain't had nobody do stuff to make us feel pretty, well then stay tuned, because we can do this together. We can do this together. But continue watching and let's get started. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.